What's going on, people? I need you to listen up. I need you to listen. I need you to listen very, very clear. Your shoes can be filled. Never get comfortable in this life. A lot of y'all get too comfortable with doing whatever it is you want to do and not noticing that it's people around you that's getting sick and tired of the bullshit that you putting out. And you think that those around you won't leave you. Now, it's funny that we feel that we so much the shit that we can feel like that. And that we the caliber of person that we is so rare you can't find that nowhere. But that's not so much the case. When somebody been dealing with you for so long, anything other than you is better. You heard me? Anything other than you is better. So your shoes can be filled. And if they can't be filled, they can be replaced. You heard? And there's always somebody out there looking, admiring. No matter what it is, you feel like it's a hand-me-down. Somebody looking at it as it's an upgrade for them. And that could be looked at in relationships, the workplace, sports, whatever, because you got comfortable. You know what I'm saying? You feel as if ain't nobody ready, willing, and able to take my spot. Nobody. And if they is they ready to put in the hard work to keep my spot? Because at any given time, I could put in the work and get my spot back. And you're not going to be able to. You know why? Because you stop putting in the work. You've become lazy as hell. You've taken people for granted. So now they so tired of your shit and they're not ready to put up with it. So you done put in so much work to get them to the place where they would put up with your shit. Now they so tired of your shit. Now they're not willing to put up with it no more. And then you make it that much more easy for somebody to open up a door to let them in, to take whatever it is that you got away from you. Like I said, whether that be your job, your relationship, sports, whatever it is, whatever you can think of, as far as you working hard as a person on your growth, on your purpose, or whatever it is, it can be took. As hard as you work for it, as long as it took to get it, it can be taken by anybody at any given time if you stop putting in the work. And as quiet as kept, a lot of you cats, a lot of you men, or a lot of you males, if your girl, your woman, your wife, whomever was to leave today, a lot of you cats be like, okay, she can leave. But behind closed doors, a lot of you be boo-hooing. A lot of you cats say that about your job. I can get another one. Yeah, you can get another one, but it's going to take you a while. You know what you're going to be doing in the meanwhile? In the in-between time, if you haven't saved any money, any savings, anything, you'll be losing your house. You'll be losing your car. You possibly could be losing your family. Because you have gotten comfortable. You've gotten so comfortable with being comfortable that you've allowed other people around you to take your spot. You open too many doors. You've let too many people look at the flaws, the laziness, the unwillingness to pursue your hard work that you've built for yourself. You've done that. You've allowed people to peek in that window and see, oh, they not doing this, they not doing that. So if I do this, I could get they spot. You dig what I'm saying? You understand me? I can get they spot. So if you don't continue to work, if you don't continue to display characteristics of being a leader, or displaying hard work and doing the work and putting in the work and keeping those around you to make sure you doing the work, you will fall into a comfortable zone where you allow people to fill your shoes and take your spot. Again, we become egotistical and believing that can't nobody take my spot for shit because I put in the work and ain't nobody gonna do what I've done. They might not do what you've done. They're gonna do it differently because you've allowed them to see something different. You've allowed them to see that you can't do this for long. You can't do this for long. So I'm gonna do it different. I'm gonna do it better. Big shoes to fill. I'm gonna do it different. Ego plays a part in that comfortability. Even I have to realize sometimes in certain things that I do, say, and move, in the way I speak to people, family, friends, because people will dismiss you when they tired of your shit, man. I promise you. As sure as the sun rises and falls, I promise you, man, people will get tired of the shit you do and say to them if you're not treating them correctly. Some shoes aren't meant to be filled. Some shoes are just meant to be replaced and never to be filled again. And you will just become a memory of old shoes. You dig what I'm saying? And it's something that we all, even when I do these videos, I have to come and think about, even when these words is coming out my mouth, I have to consider taking my own advice in this, because it's really crazy, man. Because I swear, I may even do a part 2 to this, man. Seriously, I'm considering. I should have just went live and did it, but this is off the top, and I really wanted to give it to you because it was on my heart. I was in the spirit, you feel me, of saying this to you, because this may help somebody. So I need you to like, share, and subscribe, period. You know what I'm saying? Because this is going to help somebody. And you might need to hear this. Don't get comfortable. Whatever you did to get the job, whatever you did to get him or her, you need to get back on it, because we all fall short. We all fall off sometimes and get comfortable. That's okay sometimes, but don't take it too far. A lot of us take it way too far and get way too comfortable. And then you realize why people ain't saying certain things to you no more. Saying it like this and saying it like that. Because you've gotten comfortable, so they can't even move and say things a certain way around you because how you may feel. Because you know what? They was able to say it to you because you was on top of your game. You was on top of things. You feel me? You was on top of it. But now, you don't think nobody's going to come in and do the job that you was able to lay the groundwork and you find the blueprints for anything. People, places, and things you was able to do that you don't think nobody else is willing to do because they got some big shoes to fill. No, that's just your ego and how you think and how you feel, that you think that your shoes are too big to be filled. I'm sorry. That's so far from the truth. If these shoes can't be filled by anybody, they will be replaced. You dig what I'm saying? Call in one too many times at your job. Not show up for a month. No calls, no show. One monkey don't stop no show, right? You will be replaced. I'm sorry. You do that, you apply that to anything in your life, you will be replaced. So no shoes are too big to be filled. I'm here to tell you. Personal experience, I'm here to tell you. But I'm gonna keep it short. It's long, but I'm gonna holler at y'all people. Y'all be blessed, people, and I'm out.